Last like what, 20 seconds?
Okay, so we're back. This is day 3, the finale. Anyway, we just gotta solder this little piece on. We're practically done.
Yeah.
So I have added some solder here to these little contacts where we're gonna put the wire. You don't necessarily need these. Okay. So we're gonna solder. I don't know if you can see properly, but these 2 wires to this. So we're gonna solder this one up here and this one down there. I believe so. Let's get soldering. I'm just gonna bend this wire, Matt. Okay. So we've completed it. You should like and subscribe. What should we name it? We should name it Jeff.
Jeff.
Okay, let's do the other one now. Be nice.
Alright, so what we're gonna do in this short is we're gonna speed run a second circuit, right? Alright, let's do this.
We could take turns. Yeah. I do one part, you do one part. I do one part, you.
You want me to do both of them?
No. You do this one, I do the other one. Oh, where's the safety protection? I don't care. Make sure to wear safety, kids. You got it?
Yeah. Is that good?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Alright.
I never wear safety.
Where'd you put the solder?
Here.
You need a steady hand.
A little bit more solder than I'd like, but whatever.
It works though, isn't it?
Yeah, but you just don't want it bulging too much. Okay, I was just gonna say, cause what? No, I'm just telling them. It's cause yours look more like it's like really bulbous.
Spiky.
Yeah. I kind of don't like that, but it's okay.
I love it.
Shut up.
One thing is not nice.
I forgot about this capacitor. Okay, so we got about 40 minutes left in class. We're gonna try to finish it up.
Alright.
Beautiful solder.
Yes, sir.
You're not beautiful.
I'm gonna tell your mom.
You don't know my mom.
Could you unbox these resistors?
I got you.
We shall wait.
Didn't you ask why these were called dog bone resistors?
Yeah, why are they called dog bone resistors? Did you look it up? Yeah, it's up here. Put it up there.
Right there. It's been up there for the last like what, 20 seconds?
What's in our iron? For fun. Put that. Have your back.
I'll put mine. That's fine. I really don't mind. I think it's that.
Ready and go.
Give it a second. We can try something different, man. We don't have heads, so we can.
Now, what if we mess it up? Okay, fine.
But.
You want, Chad, should we Mexicanize it? So, we're probably gonna Mexicanize it. Bro, where did it go? Are you serious?
Oh, there.
Wait, do we have a resistor on both of them?
We have resistors. I need you to put them on.
We already put them on, right? Yeah?
Yep. The dog bone one.
Okay, so we're gonna Mexicanize this. Do I hate this? Yes. Do I love it? No. So yeah, the eyes are gonna be able to bend. You're my sunshine. I only. That's old already. I'll cook. What are we doing?
He's Mexicanized it. Where's the
Fine, then gimme.
wire stripper? Stop littering, cameraman.
Hello, camera. Part is bipolar. He has two-colored eyes. Look.
Wow, that's wild. Bipolar. That's like the most craziest thing I've ever done.
I don't know what he's doing.
What the heck, bro? I burned this with the plastic and it won't stop.
Well, because you burnt plastic.
Oh, that's cool.
Now it smells like plastic in here.
Alright, come on. Start it.
Hurry.
Wait.
That's what I was looking for. It looks like hamburgers.
Because he put it in the plastic.
My hamburger.
It does kind of smell like hamburgers, though. Here, put some more on.
I don't want to miss anything else.
Put more.
Hey, what y'all do?
You burnt the plastic here.
We're gonna try to Mexicanize it.
It's gonna be very awkward. Put it on up here. Up here. Like up the red dot. Like up down the first dot.
Here.
Right here. Yeah, like make sure it's in there. What? Super easy. Very fun. That was because you can't be on this side, remember?
Stop, that's good.
It's good?
Stop, yes, good. I'm having a little bit of
God.
Oh, it's good, it's good. Good. It's in, it's good.
But it doesn't.
It doesn't have to look pretty as long as it works, man.
What if it doesn't work?
You better pray.
I'm suffering. Send help.
It's easy.
I need you to strip this wire. I don't need that much.
I'm a certified wire stripper.
Yo! Get out.
We cooked?
And a jumper wire that goes across these two terminals, right?
So,
I need you to hold this right here.
this one?
Yes, the black one. Okay, so we've completed the little robot. So what I did, since we didn't have a little board that belongs here, I just put together the positives. I soldered them together, and then I
cabled it.
yeah, and then the negatives I jumper cabled it, and then this lead goes straight down into the negative. So yeah, I Mexicanized it. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for on Diddy. I mean, you could beat that out. But yeah, America.
Subscribe to
Pause
Mr.
it.
Phoenix.
Pause it.